Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox like Hot Wheels, and this is the Track Fleet, and this is the Porsche 911 Offroader, as you can see here. Okay, so I bought this because the casting actually looked really beautiful, and along with the tires, huge tires, off-road tires. The livery looks really nice on this one, so I bought this. So I bought it for okay 499. That is MRP. I still don't remember from where I bought this. I don't know, I bought from some guys in my group. Or I actually went to shop and bought this. I don't remember that now, but anyway, I bought it. So okay, I think there are a couple more here, which is a DC one. I am not a fan of DC, so I'm not going to worry about that. So there are a couple more here because of the sticker we are not able to see. Anyways, so let's unbox this one. So there is actually one more version of this particular casting. I think uh, golden color, if I'm not wrong. Someone actually posted that in Facebook, like that he collected both versions like that. Okay, let's send it is in two pieces. Okay, so nothing much on the card art part. Here it is. So let me just put this away. Okay, let's go one by one. Let's talk about this first. Okay, so this is supposed to be a cargo, I guess. Okay, it has surfboard, tires, spare tires, a backpack, not a backpack, or like a duffel bag kind of thing. And the rims looks really good. So this part is fully plastic, and the chassis is actually metal. So you can see the detailing here. So this exact skull kind of thing, they actually did it in that custom Camaro, I think during 2023, that blue version. It actually suited that casting really well. The detailing on this looks really nice. Okay. I think this is another surfboard, if I'm not wrong. Looks like it. So on this side you can see a jerry can here along with the Hot Wheels badging here. Okay, let me just put this. So it can remove it. Okay, it is actually shaking a little bit, but I'm not sure if it is glued inside or don't want to break it, but I'm a bit curious if this is more removable. It's not coming up. Okay, don't want to break it. Let's keep it aside. Okay, let's talk about the casting now. So the casting actually looks absolutely gorgeous. So usually they mess up the black really well every time, but this time since it's a matte black, it looks really nice. And the livery on this one absolutely awesome. So it doesn't have any headlight details. That is a bummer. The front Porsche logo is there, which is really great. Okay, the livery on the sides looks really nice. Okay, doesn't have any tail light details either. At least they could have given one set of detailing to it. So the headlight detail would have looked really great. Because in that I just threw that card away. And I said I showed you guys again. So the headlight, it had the headlights. It looked really beautiful. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. Matchbox, they do all this detailing for Matchbox, but not for Hot Wheels. So personally, I would love a headlight and tail details compared to rest of the liveries here. Liveries you can easily buy that sheet outside and you can customize yourself. But headlight and tail details, if they're giving by themselves, that would match the casting if it is out of factory. Okay, so the body is fully metal. This piece here is plastic. The one which is surrounding this piece, it is metal actually. Only this part here, this is plastic, and this is plastic. The windshield is plastic. That is entire. It's one single piece actually. It has rear view mirrors as well, and the hood details looks really nice. The interior of this, that the air intake, if I'm not wrong, that is also plastic. So the chassis is also plastic. It has a very little detailing to it. Let me see. Okay, there is exhaust detail here. So the rims looks really nice. It matches this particular car really well. So overall the car looks really beautiful. I'm not going to deny that. They could have added some detailing here. So let's weight both of these pieces individually so that we will know which one actually weighs more. Okay, this is 25 grams. This is very light actually. Let's see. Wow, 32 grams. Okay, not bad. Okay, let me keep this aside and I will first hook this up for a minute. Okay, this is how it hooks up. You can just play with it. Okay, so we are not able to do roll test on this one because it has only two wheels. Let's do with this first and maybe combine together. Wow, that is really nice. Rolls really well. There's a very little wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but it's negligible. Okay, it rolls really well. Let's put this together and see. Okay, it is not going to. We won't be able to get much of a height here. I'm going to do this only once, guys. Okay, it still rolls really well. Okay, so that is really good. Let's rate this casting now. I'm sorry. Okay, I think we are on frame. Okay, so let's rate this casting. So don't get me wrong, guys. I know even though it's, see, we are paying $499 for this extra bit. I mean, honestly, if you ask me if this is combine these two things, it is worth $499. No, it's not. It doesn't have any moving parts. It doesn't even have the complete detailing to it. So for $499, okay, as I said, I mean, if this casting maybe came in a different color, I would have not picked it. Just because of this color and this, the way they actually presented this, I actually bought it. So I'm not going to rate this particular piece because something they imagine, right? So I'm not going to rate anything which is something not in the books. So let's keep that aside. Okay, let's rate this one. See, any end of the day, this is the main line, right? They could have, if they're charging $499, they would have given at least one set of detailing. They didn't do on both sides, so I'm taking one. So apart from that, I don't see any issue with it. So 9 out of 10 for this casting. So if you are a Porsche fan, or if you really see, personally I like this, even though I'm not a Porsche fan, I personally like this one so much because of the, again, the way they presented it. So if you really want to collect something, it looks a bit good, you can go with it. You can add some bit of detailing here if you are really patient enough. So that's it, guys. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.